dear team, we are really thankful and humbled by this award. And we want to dedicate this award to the true King of Kingship. It is none other than our Lord Jesus Christ. Also, we would like to thank our collaborator, Sisu, the team of Sandy and Ma'am Rebecca, for always giving the support all these years to Kingship. And lastly, we would like to thank our team. Although we are a Chinese restaurant, but our team is all Filipino. Truly, the Filipino can. Maybe you have some words from the chef.
Thank you, salamat.
Thank you.
Short but sweet, maraming answer. Congratulations once again to Olympic Foods Corporation. And now I invite everyone to please take a look at our screen for the video interview with Michael.
So, I'm Michael J. Bulaso. I'm Industrial Account Manager for Sisu International. I handle North Luzon area, including the Kamanabang area. I handle Authentic Foods Corporation. I believe Authentic is deserving of the award Outstanding Collaborator of the Year because they have been a good and loyal customer of Sisu International. And not just a loyal customer, but a loyal partner as well. Authentic is very open to ideas from their employees and other partners as well, including Sisu International. They're really open to new ideas and innovations. The one that really give them the edge in terms of building relationship is because they value the efforts, the skills, and the ideas of their collaborators and other companies that they partner with. So, hindi po sila basta-basta nagbabaliwala ng mga ideas, but in a sense na talagang ini-embrace po nila yung mga ideas na yun and try to think of something from that ideas. At least, hindi po nasasayang effort ng mga companies that they collaborate with. I believe the key quality of an effective collaborator is of course to be open-minded in new ideas and of course embrace innovation and creativity. So hindi po tayo pwedeng maiwan sa mga old innovations and kailangan very consistent ang ating pag-innovate ang mga new ideas and new products para sa ating customers. I think collaboration provides wide range of new ideas from many disciplines in the F&B sector. Authentic really does a good job on this because they gain new ideas from wide range of partners. From their efforts, they have some events po na they really let their employees, their chefs to shine. And from that event and ideas, talagang pinapresent po nila yun sa kanilang mga restaurants that really not just outshines their products, and also outshines the chefs that they have. One of the biggest ideas po for future collaborations is of course to provide them with more ideas in terms of new trends na darating for 2024 and 2025. That of course includes from main dishes, from desserts, and from beverages as well. And also to collaborate with them in terms of marketing capabilities to really outshine and really promote their brand.
Allow me to thank our divine creator, whom I believe is the ultimate source of all these ideas for my team and I, to be able to come up with this food service program called Taste Setters by Sisu International Incorporated. This was made possible through the unwavering support, of course, of the Sisu's directors, owners, and the management team of Sisu International. And the chefs, I know you know that I love you all. Okay, chefs who continuously believe in our advocacy for collaborative work in order for the Philippine food scene to be known to the rest of of the world. Alam niyo yung pinaglalaban ko, di ba? Yung aking Hainanese chicken and Thai food examples. Okay, and of course, the principals of all the brands that we distribute and our partners like Masplex. Without them, this will not also be possible because they are the ones that makes up whatever Pacesetters is. And of course, our business partners. Without all of you, this program will not be established. At the time that we were actually conceptualizing a program, we were actually challenged as how we can help our business partner and clients in meeting their business objectives. And at the same time, that they could also exceed the expectation of their clients and their consumers. And since CISO understand that the food culture is thriving, the world is becoming more sophisticated, cosmopolitan, and of course, then these palettes are melding and food trends abound. So we created a workshop where we share trends for clients to collaborate in coming up with innovative dishes and products. Actually, alam niyo yan, nung nagsa-start kami ng Pacesetters, kahit April lang po ang aming pang-award, pinag-aagawan ho nila yon. And I'm so happy that even if they are competitors, when we group them with the workshop, I can feel that they could actually collaborate. And that is what I think the true meaning of Pacesetters. We collaborate in order to create food and beverage trend. And as we draw to a close on this inspiring journey at the Pacesetters Award, I really feel with immense gratitude and excitement for the transformative experiences that we've shared together. I think all of us were wowed, right, in tonight's event. Throughout our time here, we explored the fusion of food and art, delving into the creative depths where innovation thrives and possibility abounds. When we're actually conceptualizing the theme of this event or this night, I wanted to congratulate my team, the Culinary Solutions team, Chef Avery Chu, and the one who left me, Mark Antonio. Masakit man, but you left me. Okay. When we're trying to conceptualize this, I was like envisioning that, Mark, I think it's time to, meet arts and food together. And at the time, we were thinking of who are the artists that we could work with. And I actually thought of Nina at first, Nina, because I've seen Nina since she was like still a little, actually, toddler, okay? And the Arlene and Lord has been also my personal friend. Nung iniwan ko yung CISO, nung bumalik lang ako, actually they were the ones who sort of helped me know about Beijing, alam mo yan, Ma'am Jen and Ma'am Becca. Nako-returnee po ako sa CISO International, and I'm so happy that they have actually accepted me back, okay? And I'm really very particularly moved with the artistic collaborations that have graced our event, infusing into the richness and vibrancy that transcends the ordinary. Our featured artists, Ramalyari and Ina Banto, to exemplify the spirit of innovation and creativity that lies at the heart of Pacesetters. Actually, dito ko rin nakita na even if they are miles apart, they were able to collaborate. That trophy is a work of art for me. Actually, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, wow, it's like, okay, I'm so happy with what was done by both of them. And Graham's ability, of course, to transform discarded materials into a stunning work of art is a testament of the power of imagination and resourcefulness. I think all of us know that our government is also pushing forward for sustainability development goals. And if you look at it, it's coming out of trash, the ones that we don't want anymore. But it became a work of art, and it had value in it. When you create something, it became more valuable to be able to present his creativity. And of course, Nina's remarkable talent reminds us that creativity works knows no bounds. I'm really touched with how she creates something when she paints. And if you look at how she creates a painting, you have to always guess what are the images. And I think we, as in the food service industry, imagination, images is very important for us. And later on, we'll be able to see that on our souvenir that we will be giving. Kasi, again, it's a work of art. And I hope that you'll be able to be inspired to create more, write, draw, anything that you would want in order for you to be able to create another innovation in the industry. Again, it is through this partnership like this that we are able to create something truly magical, where art and food converge to inspire, uplift, and delight. Even the culinary creations served have been carefully created to tantalize the senses and ignite the imagination, reflecting our commitment to excellence and innovation. And that is actually what Tastesetters is. I would like to commend Chef Sunny and Chef Waldo. I think they did really very well. When we're trying to conceptualize what are the dishes that needs to be served, doon pa lang sa tasting, sabi ko, okay, this is it. Okay, kampante na ako. I trust them that they will be able to serve me good food. Okay. And before we conclude, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the winners in the food service industry. More days, more sleepless nights, maybe, to work with you all. And I really am very blessed, to have all of you work with us, with my team. And I know there are some, syempre, nagbabatuhan tayo ng ideas, and there are some, minsan may disagreements tayo, but I think that's a healthy disagreement for all of us. And out of that, we are able to create winning dishes and products. And that is truly, again, what Tastesetters is. Again, your ingenuity, dedication, and commitment to excellence have set a new standard of excellence in our field. Your achievement inspires us all to strive for greatness and continue pushing boundaries of what is possible. So without further ado, we will actually play our day's event. And again, when we were trying to do the program, this song that will be played that was actually done in 5 days. Okay? Because I wanted to use the Angat sa Iba, but it was composed by our maestro, Rani Calabria, the national artist. But I cannot use it because there will be a huge royalty for me. To hingi ako ng additional budget kay Ma'am Becca. No, hindi ko ma-afford yun, di ba? And so we just thought of, asking someone from the Dawn, he is actually the bass guitarist, Mr. Bimbo Yansay, to actually do that song. Later on, we'll actually play that, or we could play it now, the SB. Toast muna tayo. So, okay, toast na muna, sabi ni Derek. Hindi pa ayos yung SB. Same day edit. Okay, the SB. Okay. Does anyone, so all have something to, have a toast to. May wine na ba lahat? Okay. I would also like to call on Ma'am Jen, kayo, Ma'am Becca, and Ma'am Nation, and the 5 winners to the stage. Because I would like to offer the toast also to all of you here. Sir Mike, Ma'am Rosette, and come. Salaki. Ito kayo mahiya. Dito sa stage. Yeah, Sir Ed na lang. Kasi hindi tayo magkakasya sa stage. So as we celebrate the 7th anniversary of Tastesetters, it's really remarkable to see how far we've come of how Tastesetters is now. And on July 31 and August 1, We will be launching something new again for Tastesetters brand. We invite everyone and hoping that you'll be able to taste whatever we launch. Medyo ano siya, secret, no? But we will be sharing that with you, all of you on the WOFEX. Again, what started as an innovation workshop has blossomed into a thriving community wherein really we're pushing for innovation so that we could be known as world-class level. And I already mentioned that we will be having see you again on the WOFEX on July 31 to August 3, and we will be launching something new, hoping that you'll be able to use that in your kitchen. And as we bid farewell to this chapter, let us carry forward the spirit of collaboration, curiosity, and creativity that defines Tastesetters. Together, we have the power to shape the future of food and beverage innovation. One step at a time, one inspired idea at a time. With this, for the very first time that we are able to, present to you the Pagkamalikhaing song, again composed by Mr. Vigo Yance of The Dawn, for the inaugural Tastesetters Victors Awards, commemorating the innovation, creativity, and collaboration tonight. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for being with us tonight. And congratulations to all the winners. Cheers to the journey ahead and endless possibility that awaits us. Cheers.